In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students of class 12th, students, we are discussing the coefficient of correlation. In previous lectures, we have discussed coefficient of correlation by Spearman's rank difference method. In this lecture, we shall learn about something about Karl Pearson's product moment method. This method is also used for computing coefficient of correlation. इस method को भी हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं for computing coefficient of correlation के लिए. When we have two variables, while computing the relationship between two variables, or we can say it. This method also gives us the about of degree of linear relationship between two variables. We can compute Karl Pearson's product moment method. This method is also known as Pearson's method because he is the inventor of this method. ये method Karl Pearson, he is an English statesman. उसने इस method को invent किया है. That is why it is known as Karl Pearson's product moment method. The coefficient of correlation computed by this method is also known as product moment coefficient of correlation. So, जब हम coefficient of correlation compute करेंगे by this method, it is known as product moment coefficient of correlation. क्योंकि हम ये product moment method से करते हैं, that is why it is known as product moment coefficient of correlation. Symbolically, this method is represented by R means correlation. So, while computing, we need not write Karl Pearson's product moment method. We can write only the small r. The small r represents the coefficient of correlation. The formula for computing coefficient of correlation is as it has two methods. We can do it in two methods. One is direct method, one is indirect. Second is indirect method. For indirect method, the formula is r is equal to n into summation of xy minus xy minus summation of x into summation of y divide by under root of, इसका whole under root है n into summation of x square minus summation of x square into n summation of y square minus summation of y square. So this formula is used for direct method. इसको हम आगे जाके पढ़ेंगे डायरेक्ट मेथड किसको कहेंगे. For indirect method, the formula for computing coefficient of correlation is r is equal to summation of xy divided by under root of summation of x square into y square. तो ये indirect के लिए फार्मूला है. So आगे जाके जो हम आने वाले लेक्चर डिस्कस करेंगे उसमें हम both the formulas will be discussed. दोनों ही फार्मूलाज पे हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो आपके समझ में आ जाएगा तो हम डायरेक्ट मेथड में हम किस तरह कर सकते हैं और इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में हमने क्या करना पड़ता है. तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट Karl Pearson's product moment method. Hope you may have understood. Thank you very much.